Are you having issues setting BitLocker password in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you are unable to set a BitLocker password in Windows, here is how you can troubleshoot the issue. We have listed all the scenarios so that you can relate to them and fix them easily. Let's get started. Method 1. Use a different administrator account. If you only have the built-in administrator account and try to enable BitLocker with it, it may not work. To use BitLocker, you must have an administrator account which you must create manually. In other words, you need to disable the built-in administrator account and create a new administrator account. To disable the built-in administrator account in Windows 11, open the command prompt or the command prompt instance in terminal with administrator privileges and enter this command. However, if you use the PowerShell instance, enter this command. Once done, create a new administrator account in Windows 11. You can use the Windows settings panel to get the job done. After creating the new administrator account, log into it and try setting up BitLocker. Method 2. Check TPM status. TPM, or Trusted Platform Module, is a security module that is required for BitLocker. If you have some issues with the TPM, there is a high chance that it might not work. To check if TPM is installed or not, press Win+R, type tpm.msc and hit Enter button. If it shows a message like compatible TPM cannot be found, you must check the BIOS. In the BIOS, you can find an option called Trusted Platform Module that must be enabled. If not, enable it manually. Alternatively, it is suggested to use the TPM Diagnostics tool. It generates a report to help you fix common TPM-related problems. Method 3. Check group policy settings. There are a group policy settings that must be set up correctly. Otherwise, there is a high chance of getting this problem on a Windows 11 PC. These settings are: require additional authentication at startup, disallow standard users from changing the PIN or password, configure minimum PIN length for startup. To check the status of these settings, open the local group policy editor and navigate to this path: computer configuration, then administrative templates, then Windows components, then BitLocker drive encryption, then operating system drives. Double-click on each setting and check it minutely. However, if you are not sure, it is recommended to use the factory defaults. For that, choose the Not Configured option. Method 4. Check Registry Editor. All of the aforementioned group policy settings can also be sent via Registry Editor. If you have made changes to the registry files, you may encounter this error. Therefore, open the Registry Editor and verify the status of these settings. Navigate to this path. If you find a reg_d word value named minimum PIN, delete it. Apart from these, if you find any of these reg_d word values, it is suggested to delete them. Disallow standard user PIN reset. Enable BDE with no TPM. Use advanced startup. Use TPM. Use TPM key. Use TPM key pin. Use TPM pin. Once you are done, restart your computer. Log into your administrator account and check the BitLocker settings. Method 5. Use SFC scan and DISM. At times, this problem may arise when your system files are corrupt. If so, you can get it fixed by running the DISM tool and the SFC scan. However, it is suggested to run the system file checker first. For that, open the terminal with administrator privileges and enter this command. It takes some time. Do not interrupt in the meantime. However, if this scan does not fix the issue, it is suggested to run the DISM tool. For that, open terminal with administrator permissions and enter this command. If it finds any issues, you can use this command to fix. Method 6. Windows Update. To update Windows 11, follow these steps. Press Win+I to open Windows settings and go to the Windows Update section. If any update is pending, download and install it accordingly. It is suggested that the drivers be updated as well. For that, go to Advanced Options, then Optional Updates. If any update is available, tick the corresponding checkbox and download it. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.